In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable inventory tracking on Shopify. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Products. This is where you manage everything you sell, including stock levels. Find the specific product you want to track and click on it to open the product details page. If you have a large catalog, take a moment to confirm you are editing the correct item, since inventory settings apply per product and in many cases per variant. Once you are on the product page, scroll down until you reach the inventory section. This area controls whether Shopify monitors stock for this item and how it behaves when quantities change. Look for the setting called Track Quantity. Locate the Track Quantity checkbox and make sure it is checked. When this is enabled, Shopify will reduce available stock automatically as orders are placed, which helps prevent overselling and keeps your storefront accurate. Next, select the location or locations where your inventory is physically held. Locations can include places like a warehouse, a retail store, or any fulfillment site you have set up in Shopify. It is important to choose the correct locations, because Shopify will track stock separately for each one. After that, enter the quantity available for each location in the inventory grid. Take your time here and enter whole numbers that match what you actually have on hand. If you keep stock in more than one place, make sure each location reflects its own quantity, not the total combined amount in every location. Now choose whether you want to continue selling when out of stock. You will see an option that lets customers purchase even if the quantity reaches zero. Check that box if you accept back orders or pre-orders. Leave it unchecked if you want Shopify to stop sales automatically when you run out. If your product has variants, such as different sizes or colors, repeat these same inventory settings for each variant. Click into each variant and confirm. Track quantity is enabled, locations are selected, and quantities are entered correctly. Finally, click Save to activate inventory tracking for that product. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.